You know, it's 1987 seems like forever ago, but sometimes it feels like yesterday. And here we are 40 plus years into the deal. I really love making turbos for the Buick guys. It means so much to me. And I've got a new unit here, and we're going to have it at the Nationals coming up in a couple weeks here. This is a 6469 F3. And you might think that turbo's small, but it's not. This is still a turbocharger that can make well over 800 horsepower. And a lot of enthusiasm people talking about on the HPT turbos that I've come out with, you know, and since reinventing myself in this industry, is that they spool fast to make more power. Well, I'm telling you, this dude right here is just going to be amazing. People aren't going to believe how fast it is and how much power it can make. It's already proven. It's already setting world records out there with other types of engines. Here we've built it into an F3 frame size, so it has an F3 covers to be great for airflow characteristics, and of course the stainless steel turbine housing. V-bands, both sides, easy to install. It's going to need an oil drain line kit, and because the turbine wheel is getting bigger and bigger, we've got to relocate this hole, so we've got to do some work here. But I'm telling you guys, you can't go wrong with this turbocharger. You're going to love it. I'll see you at the Nationals.